Can you remember why you chose to be a member?
At first, it was kind of peer pressures, and some mates of mine were like, hey, you should join this law society thing. But the more and more I went on, the more and more I saw the value within the law society, and was very glad that I did join.
I became a member because I was a part-time external student. So that meant I really studied in isolation. I didn't know many people, and I was nearing the end of my degree, and I kept hearing things about the challenges of graduates finding employment. And I really wanted to connect with other students and colleagues who were in my position and see what was all this about, because I think it was a bit of panic in the industry at that time.
Yeah, the reason why I chose to become a member was because I thought it would be good for networking. And also, support. For myself, I really struggle with the university work. Between leaving school and then studying was I think 11 years. And, in that time, I was obviously in and out of prison, and I was just being a rat bag. So it was really good to have that support there and have people around me that are and also going through the same struggles, as me. So yeah, it's good.
What was the highlight of your time in the Law Society?
I had so many. I had lunch with Justice Michael Kirby. I appeared before Supreme Court Justice Ryan in the Moot Grand Final. I was able to travel to different conferences through the Law Society. But it's really cheesy. The people that I met through the Law Society were definitely the highlight for me. Professionals, people through the university, academics. But some of my best friends today I met through the Law Society, and I'm really grateful for that.
In 2021, taking the steps to have it registered as a recognised academic journal, not only within Australia, but on an international scale, and just seeing the reach that both USQ Law Society members and alumnus are getting through that journal, even though it's only in its second iteration.
I'd probably have to bring it down to two. The first would probably have to be the first two official releases of the USQ Law Society Law Review, and the other one would probably have to be competing and thankfully winning the junior moot in 2021. That was a lot of fun.
Probably the law ball. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, I had a good time. Got to meet people, like-minded people.
The Chief Justice, for example, I think was speaking either last year or the year before. So, the society provides an important function to enable members to meet with members of the profession, senior members of the profession, and I don't think that can be underestimated.
What benefits did you gain from being in the Law Society?
Benefits of being a member of the Law Society is, you get the inside scoop of what's happening within the Law Society. You get in emails, you can get on the Facebook, the Instagram, see sort of what's going on. And I mean, for $10, it's pretty cheap. I think you guys should be charging more, I reckon. It's a good rate, and it's a good community, especially when you get to go to that law ball. I highly recommend that. Yeah.
The networking was a huge benefit for me. I made connections with the local profession that I still maintain today. Another benefit was that I was 20 and running big events and meetings and sourcing funding, and all this experience that just looked really great on my resume that other people my age may not necessarily have had.
What advice would you give law and criminology students, whether they're online or on campus, that are maybe on the fence about engaging with the USQ Law Society?
My biggest advice to uni students has always been to just get involved.
My advice is just do it.
Just do it. For $10 for the membership, it's a huge benefit, and the amount of experience and knowledge you get out of it is phenomenal. I mean, we're paying, we pay a lot more than that for Netflix per month. Why not pay this one amount for a year, and that's probably going to give you a hell of a lot more benefits than a Netflix or a Spotify subscription ever will. Just do it.